Hello everybody, Ms Harriete here. I hope you are all fantastic. We have a special cooking class today. Yes, we are going to be making flapjacks. Yes, tasty Ranger flapjacks. Now, Rangers work high up in the mountains, so to keep strong and full of energy, they eat flapjacks throughout the day. So, I'm going to be showing you how to make our tasty Ranger flapjacks. Now what you will need is 2 cups of oats. Can you see that? 2 cups of oats. And you will need a banana. You need to mush up a banana. And you will need honey. Yes. So to start with, I'm going to pour in the banana mashed. So I'll show you in just a second. So can't see much, but here is our mashed banana with the oats. Next I'm going to put in two tablespoons of honey. You can add as much or as little, but it's better to add a little bit less so that you're not eating too much sugar. So maybe start with 2. I think that should be fine. There's still a little bit on there, so it's not even 2 full ones really, it's more like 1.5. So it's really 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Yes, oh, runny honey looks absolutely delicious, doesn't it? Beautiful. Okay, so then I'm going to mix this all together. This might take a little while. And then sometimes we might need to add a little bit more honey, but I don't think so. Let's see. So this is going to take a little while. Now, what other professions do you think might need a lovely, wholesome flapjack to keep them full of energy throughout the day? Good job, everybody. Yeah, so farmers would probably benefit from a lovely, healthy flapjack. Police officers would also benefit because they have to often stand on their feet all day. What else? The factory workers, yes. Those people the men and women that work in our factories that do a fantastic job at putting, for example, our food together. Yes, when the food arrives in the factories, then they have to maybe put it in a jar. For example, the salsas that we buy will be made in a factory. Even this honey that I'm using would have been made in a factory. So I know this is taking quite a while. So I'm just going to add maybe half a spoon, half a spoon more of honey. Just about half. Okay, half a spoon more. Let's keep mixing. If you're doing this at home, keep going, keep mixing it because we want it all to be even. We don't want to have more honey on one side of our dish than another. And once you have mixed all of your ingredients together, what you will need to do is you will need to grease a tin. Yes, just like this. I'm going to use this. You will need to grease it. That means you put a little bit of oil, yes, inside onto the dish, and then if you take a piece of tissue, a kitchen roll if you have it, kitchen roll, or a clean cloth, and then you rub the oil into the dish, covering it completely, so that when you put your mixture into your dish and it starts cooking, it then won't stick. It won't be too difficult for you to get out. Okay, now I'm going to now put my ingredients into the dish. When it's ready, I will show you what it looks like. So you just need to sort of flatten it all down. So I will move this and show you. So I'm just flattening it all, pushing it up to the sides, making sure that it's all covered. And once, okay, mine's not quite going to fit to the edge. That's fine. If yours doesn't fit to the edge, doesn't matter, you can still bake it. I'll show you. Can you see that? It's absolutely fine. And then just smooth it across like this. Smooth it, pat it down, make it look all lovely and straight. Give it a nice little tap. There we go. So now you just need to bake it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So make sure an adult helps you. 15 to 20 minutes and then dun 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 dun, voila! You should have some delicious flapjacks, lovely golden flapjacks. So mine are nice and soft underneath and crispy on top, which is just how I like it. Crispy on top and soft and gooey on the bottom, but still firm. Delicious. I hope you enjoy making these delicious flapjacks as well. Please send me your pictures and videos. I can't wait to see them. Let's have a final, quickly taste it. Delicious. I hope you all enjoy making these flapjacks. See you all again soon. Bye.